I'm very pretty. Hey, Marina, sis, how you doing? Oh, I'm doing all right. What was that? Oh no! Is there a monster in the house? Oh no, it's getting closer. Would it be a good idea to look down? Oh, silly me. It's just my stomach. I'm gonna go put some clothes on. Bye. Pew. That was awkward. Big sis, what do you think of my wavy dress? It suits you really well. Huh? I love this one. No? Still no? This one should suit. Yes? Yes? You like this one? Finally! It stopped. No! I thought it was gonna work. Little sis, when was the last time you ate? I'm not sure. If my calculations are right, I have gone without food for 2 weeks. 2 weeks? That's really long. Oops. I guess I forgot about eating. This dress looks really lovely. Brionne? I can see your ribs. You've been literally starving. Really? Yes, but I still believe the grumbles are from my stomach deciding which piece of clothes to wear. I need an outfit. Here, I got 2 of your food-themed pictures. It's to prove that you're hungry. Candy. Fruits. I'm so hungry.